Moving on to another controversy that the Himachal Pradesh government quoted earlier in the day was the imposition of a toilet seat tax. Now, the Chief Minister, Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu, was questioned about it and he decried them as false reports. He also went on to assure people that nothing of that sort will happen. Let's listen into what the Chief Minister said.
सर वो सीटों को 25 रुपए वाली बात भी कही गई।
नहीं, ये गलत बात है।
सर वो सीटों को 25 रुपए वाली बात भी कही गई।
नहीं, ये गलत बात है।
Remember, viewers, the Himachal Pradesh, hill state of Himachal Pradesh is already cash-strapped. It's already facing a financial crisis. And to make up for the financial crisis, the Congress came up with a bizarre tax reform. That is to tax each and every toilet seat that's present in everybody's house. One toilet seat equals 25 rupees. That's the price that Himachal Pradesh Congress set in the state. And after facing a lot of blowback, the Himachal Pradesh government then junked that reform. In fact, let's now listen in to what the BJP had to say about this bizarre taxation by Rahul Gandhi's Congress.
देखिए, बड़े दुख की बात है कि ये जो सरकार जो हिमाचल के लोग कहकर हिमाचलों को बरगला कर आए थे कि हम आएंगे तो आपके जो ओल्ड पेंशन देंगे, हमको आपको महिलाओं को पैसा अकाउंट में डालेंगे, अनेक सब्जबाग दिखाकर आए थे। ये झूठ की जो राजनीति करने वाले हैं, जो खटाखट 8,500 रुपये बहनों के अकाउंट्स में आएंगे, आज कहीं भी दूर तक दिखाई नहीं दे रहे थे। ओल्ड पेंशन के बजाय तनख्वाह देने के भी लाले पड़ रहे हैं और टॉयलेट पे भी टैक्स पहली बार सुना है। तो कहीं ना कहीं राहुल गांधी जी को सोचना चाहिए कि आपकी झूठ की दुकान जो दारू बेचने के अंदर, कहीं ना कहीं ड्रग्स बेचने के अंदर, टॉयलेट पर टैक्स लगाने के अंदर जिस प्रकार से आप कर रहे हैं, ये जन विरोधी है। और मुझे लगता है कि जिस प्रकार से धोखा देकर झूठ बोलकर आप राजनीति कर रहे हैं, वो दुर्भाग्य से जनता को भुगतना पड़ रहा है। हिमाचल सरकार पूरी फेल हो चुकी है। कर्नाटक सरकार के अंदर घोटाले पे घोटाले चल रहे हैं, लगातार चल रहे हैं। और आप जिस प्रकार से हरियाणा के अंदर झूठ पे झूठ बोले जा रहे हैं, मुझे लगता है कि जनता के प्रति आपने विश्वास खो दिया है और इसलिए अरब बातें कर कर जनता को गुमराह करने का काम कर रहे हैं।
एक तरफ प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी देश के अंदर 11 करोड़ शौचालय बनाकर इज्जत घर दे रहे हैं और दूसरी तरफ कांग्रेस की सुक्खू सरकार शौचालय पर कर लगा रही है और लगातार देश के अंदर कहीं भी हो, कांग्रेस पार्टी की जहां भी सरकार बनी है, वो सरकार वादा खिलाफी की सरकार रही है। ये निर्णय का यू टर्न लिया है, इससे पहले भी कई यू टर्न इन्होंने लिए, लेकिन मैं इनसे पूछना चाहता हूं कि जो वादे इन्होंने किए थे, वो वादे कब पूरे होंगे?
हमारी हालत तो ये हो गई, इन्होंने 300 यूनिट बिजली के मुफ्त में तो क्या देने थे, बिजली का सेस लगा दिया है, पानी पर भी 100 रुपए का चार्ज लगा दिया है। और तो और छोड़ो, देश भर में मोदी सरकार ने 12 करोड़ शौचालय बनाए, किसी सरकार ने शौचालय पर टैक्स नहीं लगाया। ये सुक्खू सरकार का सुख देखो, आपके घर में सीट कितनी है उस पर भी टैक्स लगाने का काम कर दिया टॉयलेट पे। और मीडिया वालों और हिमाचल प्रदेश की जनता से मैं कहना चाहता हूं, देश की शायद एकमात्र सरकार ऐसी होगी जो शौचालय की सीट पर टैक्स लगाती है। ये राहुल गांधी के विकास का मॉडल है जो सुखविंदर सुक्खू जी हिमाचल में लागू कर रहे हैं। ये इनके फर्जी फॉर्म भरवाकर आपकी जेब से पैसे निकालने का मॉडल कांग्रेस का है, जो हिमाचल प्रदेश की जनता की जेब से पैसे निकाल रहे हैं। हरियाणा वालों के भी फर्जी फॉर्म भरवा रहे, फाड़ के ये कूड़ेदान में फेंकने वाले हैं और हरियाणा वालों को भी ऐसे निचोड़ने वाले हैं। बिजली, पानी, शौचालय, अब हद ही हो गई है भाई। ऐसा कोई बचा नहीं जिसको कांग्रेस ने ठगा नहीं।
Well, we have Lalit also joining us live from Himachal. Lalit, the Congress government has backtracked their move on imposing toilet tax, which was a bizarre move to make up for all the losses that the state is, facing. And majority of them is because of their guarantees that were made before the elections.
Exactly, it is the same situation. In Himachal Pradesh, it was for the first time that the salaries of the government employees was delayed for 5 days. If we talk about this month, the salaries of the pensioners have still not been released. And now a notification which has been surfaced and a wide criticism has been done on that. Tax has been imposed on the toilet seat. After that, now the government has taken a U-turn. A statement has been released, whether it's from the Chief Minister Thakur Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu or from the Additional Chief Secretary Mr. Onkar Sharma. A press release has been sent in which now they have said that the same day that notification was being deleted. So no tax has been imposed. But if you overall talk about in Himachal Pradesh, the debts have increased intensively. The government doesn't have the money to pay the salaries of the government employees, and other than that, the additional burden which has been on the government is the pre-poll promises which they have made during the election time. 20-month-old government of Sukhu a day before yesterday have released an advertisement in which they have said that 5 guarantees have been fulfilled. But if we overall talk about which has additionally added the burden on the common people, and the way burden has increased, now the Sukhu government is using different ways to impose taxes. One such way was imposing tax on the toilet seat, but now he has taken a U-turn on that. But another thing which has been imposed on the government, on the common people, is that in the rural areas, on every water connection, rupees 100 has been imposed. So before that, it was free of cost when a water connection was being given in the rural areas. But now rupees 100 would be charged for every water connection in the rural areas. In simple language, a person has to give 1200 rupees for a year if a water connection is being given. So these are the things, strict measures which the Sukhu government is taking. But on the other hand, now a blame game is taking place between the Sukhu government and the opposition, while Thakur Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu has pointed and blamed the previous government and has said that during the election time, former Chief Minister, leader of opposition Jairam Thakur have relaxed the water connection bills, and a subsidy has been given to the 5-star hotels. So those rates have been revised so that no additional burden should be given on the people of Himachal Pradesh. He even alleged that around 5,000 crore extra burden have been imposed due to the subsidies which was being given during the pre-polls time. So these are the things which is going on in Himachal. Blame game. Back to the studio.
All right, Lalit, many thanks for joining me with those details. Well, the latest move by the Congress is that an embarrassed grand old party has flushed the toilet tax reform down the toilet, because that's where it belongs, because the people are being burdened by the taxation by the Congress party. The free electricity promise has also fallen flat. Instead, the Congress is charging 100 rupees per connection. We'll wait and watch how things pan out in Himachal Pradesh. But let's move on, viewers, because